EcoGenerator is a modern facility in which municipal waste is neutralized in a controlled and environmentally safe manner. As a result, it does not end up in landfill, which helps protect soil, water, and air from the adverse effects of waste disposal. An additional benefit of thermal waste treatment in our facility is energy recovery, through which we generate electricity and heat. The plant has 2 municipal waste incineration lines, each with a throughput of 11 tons per hour. In total, EcoGenerator can process approximately 176,000 tons of waste per year, which corresponds to an average of around 525 tons per day. Waste delivered to EcoGenerator is stored in the waste bunker, where the crane operator uses a grab to homogenize its composition, aerate it, and feed it into the hoppers. From there, the waste falls directly onto the grate, where combustion takes place. Both incineration lines are equipped with an air-cooled mechanical reciprocating step grate. It is designed for the combustion of waste with an average nominal calorific value of 9.5 megajoules per kilogram. The hot flue gases heat the water-steam section of the power boilers, and the superheated steam is directed to a turbine coupled to an electric generator. This is how electricity is produced. Part of the steam from the turbo generator is routed to district heating exchangers, where water is heated for the needs of Szczecinska energetyka cieplna. The plant continuously generates approximately 12 megawatts of gross electric power and 25 megawatts of thermal power, which is supplied to the district heating network. Our plant complies with all national and European standards. In fact, it may be said that the EcoGenerator stack produces clouds. What is emitted from it is mainly water vapor, which condenses on contact with cold ambient air and becomes visible as white smoke. When the outside temperature is high, the flue gases remain invisible. The remaining flue gas components, including oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen oxides, are always invisible. Atmospheric emissions are strictly controlled by the continuous emissions monitoring system. How is it possible that, after the combustion of thousands of tons of waste, our plant still remains environmentally safe? The answer lies in effective flue gas cleaning. The flue gases generated during the thermal neutralization of waste at EcoGenerator undergo nitrogen oxides reduction in the combustion chamber. They then pass, among other units, through electrostatic precipitators, where particulate matter is captured. The de-dusted flue gases are next directed to a system that is unique in Poland. This is a wet flue gas treatment system, in which the gases are cooled and purified of contaminants. At the next stage, the flue gases pass through further filters. Bottom ash, ferrous and non-ferrous metals, fly ash, gypsum, and filter cakes are the so-called post-process residues that remain after the combustion of municipal waste and the treatment of flue gases and process wastewater at EcoGenerator. The solid residues generated during flue gas and wastewater treatment are transferred to specialized and authorized companies. The wastewater, in turn, is directed to another facility, namely our own process wastewater treatment plant. Comparable installations can only be found in chemical plants. The treated wastewater, in fact cleaner than the water abstracted from the river and environmentally neutral, is discharged back into the Dunčica River. In accordance with EU regulations, by 2035, no more than 10% of municipal waste collected in municipalities may be landfilled. To achieve this goal, Poland must consistently implement the principles of the circular economy. A key role is played here by the management of non-recyclable waste in thermal treatment facilities such as EcoGenerator.